Upton.
And there he does it, Lorenzo Julius, we've just mentioned his name, under the poles.
Blankenberger is claimed by Paul Roos. Handoff on the right-hand side is Kian Edson.
Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss incredible rugby content coming to this channel.
Of Claude Steyn. Ervia on the outside. Oh my word!
Caleb Abrams using that trusted left boot. Alfonso Isaacs, he's a hairy down on John.
For Greg College. Ervia. Adams takes on the line and he crashes through Ethan Fitzgerald. What a start, and he's doing with Marcus Muller. It's Darius Savia, the crawling feeds. Darius Savia.
Big scrum from South Africa, pass back and go. Brett gives it to Adams, he's going to tuck and go, and he's still going. He's Ethan Adams, want to go all the way. Got the offload on the inside. Magical Marcus Muller.
As they recover it once more, McLaren with a lovely box kick. KJ, who takes his man, whoa, and drives him backward.
This time it's off the top to Paul Jim. Puts it on the boot just in behind. Fantastic gather here by Paul Jim.
Oh, Muller over the try line. Good first scrap from Boyside, penalty, early statement, and Jordan US to ask.
And he knew so much about the game. We've certainly, during this time of COVID, lost an absolute legend.
Breed by die man daar stop van Mariviljoen. Dan komt die bal vanaf by die achterlijn af. Wat gaan hierdie gebeur? Hospitaalpaas daaruit.
Look at this great line out from 52. And then from there, Foster.
Stay there. Press!
More required, they get it. To the right they come, Trinidad on the park for South Africa. Stewart takes it out of there, and he's going to want to be in here. He's going to go all the way. Janae Stewart is right.
Getting space to move Noble out to Christmas to Braid. Luke Graham on the inside cut, beautiful angle by Graham. And he's such a strong runner. Hat-trick time for Luke Graham.
And try and shank it downfield. Oh, that's a very good take by Knutzer. Little chip from the college fly half. Gets the bounce he wants and gets the hit at the same time.
Trail there to this lineup, Newell as a Whitman. The player away quickly from there. Now this to Marcus Muller.
On the blind side, little dab forward. On the chase now, regathered inside ball. Marcus Muller on his own field to the delights of the Falcon.
A box kick that is collected by Alfonso Isaacs. But you find that Stefan Prince was there. A very good kick chase. Oh, that's through the horizontal. Unnecessary that from Van Heerden. Unnecessary. And he's been
Starting on the bench for the second team as well. Highly effective after being substituted. And now some space on the outside for Luke Graham.
He's got a monstrous boot on him. He's looking for grass. He's looking for 50-22. That is a tremendous kick by Zagatella Siyaya, and the pressure is Edwards does well, but it's Marcus Muller who eventually stopped.
Die gaan hulle die prys daarvoor betaal. Pretorius kry weg na Reinhard Viljoen. Steekskoppie. Hy sit self agterna. Goeie agterman spel Lourens de Jager. Net op die nippertjie. Val hy terug. Dan word Keen afgestorm en Viljoen.
Derry Keen
Skop hy daar vas teen Reinhard Viljoen.
From Van Wyk, who's looking for a second try, gets the offload away to Van der Sant, and that is a massive tackle.
Boys Hart come away with it. Gee, there's a lot of energy and intensity in this beginning as they go short side, creating a bit of space for Carew down the right-hand side. He's got away from his man. He's got support in field. Can he get his pass away? He can, but it goes loose.
Boys, fantastic interplay. Still wants to be, steps inside, then makes the offload. Unfortunately, just doesn't go to hand. Oh, but
Twee skoppie raak. Inderdaad so in die hande gekry deur Christian Brand. En hier kom die eerste punte van die kragmeting in die vorm van Christian Brand.
Hier Furlow Prins. Kyk hierdie werk wat Corinthians verrig al oor die bal. Nou Armand Shaya, hy word vir die kantlyn uitgepoener. En ek Keegan Corinthians.
No hold, gives it to the big man, Julius. Julius makes one, breaks two, and as easy as that.
Stolen from Kersey. Oh!
If Menlo can conjure up an attack. It's late there.
Pragtig speel. Deur Wian Nortier.
Blaadjies wat weer die bal kry vir die soveelste keer. CT Vosloo, maar op die skoen plaas hier kom Reinhard Viljoen trap in toe. Hy is oor die 15 of 22 meter lyn. Hy plaas hom onder die paal.
Northwood now, where the errors are coming from. Slow errors creeping into their game. Massive hit there, just short of a...
Net binneveld grondvat. Reinhard Viljoen klop sy eerste verdediger.
Gabrielson advantage below.
To Van der Merwe. They're spreading it out wide once again. Van der Merwe, the try scorer, twice he gives it to Basson.
It's on the counter, he's very dangerous. Reinhard Viljoen runs straight over. Straight over.
Goeie beweging, skerp beweging. Hierdie keer met Reinhard Viljoen.
Chris Prinsloo.
Oh! Big tackle coming.
Bal op die speel. Skoppies het dwars oor die veld. Voordeel lyk dit my is verby gewees.